Hello guys, we are now here at Chujiya. It's a local restaurant here near Mount Fuji. Nakatanggal tsinelas yun? Hindi ba nakatanggal tsinelas?
Directly, alisin ba namin yung shoes namin?
Yes po.
Saan ka? Where?
Kailangan na ganito po.
Hi! Oh.
Apo, wapo kayo ng pero mas better na magkakasama po pa.
Binabalag ko lang siya.
Hi! Thank you
Thank
for
you
having
so
us.
much. There's Kervin, the owner of Tokyo Concerts. The best. Recommend you.
Tempura taste po.
Kaya po reputation po po din yung dalawang isda po na Nijimasu. Then 26 is to dalawa. Then 20
More food.
ano na po isda po din. Huli pa nga po talaga.
We're trying Japanese authentic food. It's a mass restaurant. Really good food. Here you go. Yummy.
Kinakalis-kisan pa kasi yun eh. Di ba kala na ito lagi nagbibiro ko. Pero dyan, pero yung isda po na yun, talagang dyan po nila hinuha. Which is na meron din po sa ibang lake.
Gusto po ang lunch natin. Nice to po po sa din. Okay naman.
Kervin, we're so happy we found you online.
Salamat po, sir.
We're going to recommend you. It's really amazing. We are
I like
happy.
your camera, sir, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Your camera.
It's recording. Thank you so
I also
much.
like the decor.
Of course,
Oh,
boss.
he's so fun.
Top-notch, most requested namin.
And photographer too. He's so good. Who's our driver tomorrow? Do you know our driver tomorrow?
Sir Ray po.
Sir Ray,
Yeah.
okay.
Siya naman po specialist sa mga
Photography
photo.
siya.
Siya po mag-aasgas. Mag-aalagas.
Okay.
He's gonna be here then, you know what, with the guest.
Okay.
Kailangan ko po kayo.
Ah, sige, sige. Yeah, we're so happy we found you guys. Amazing.
Salamat po. Kumusta po? Wala naman jet lag? You came
No,
all the way from-
we're all excited.
Nice.
Arizona, Florida. So we're all good. We're so excited.
Sige po, salamat po sa support and enjoy your lunch po.
Yeah, we
Thank you.
Hintay lang po natin yung tilapia nyo.
Ako yun po yung the best dito, yung most requested.
yung fish.
Kahit kung kamay ka doon, ano, pag niwash mo yun, walang matitira lang sa po.
Correct.
Kasi yung tinik po nyo, depende sa dalat mo.
Sa lalo.
Seryoso. Minsan yung iba, talagang kinakain nila yung tinik. Kasi manipid lang. So, syempre, yun na. Oo.
Worth the wait po yung fish natin yan.
Ayun na po pala isda eh. Ito ang anak ng pati.
Ayan na.
Sarap namin.
Abo. Yan. Bali, huwag na lang po sana, Mats. Patanggal lang.
Patanggal na kami sa to.
Yan yung motto po, samahan nyo ng ano po na chili oil. Ay, napakasarap. Ah, 100 pictures, 100 pictures.
Ngayon, pwede na tayo mag-picture ng grupo.
Pwede na. 1, 2, 3. Nice one. One more. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you.
We just finished our lunch. You can see. You must visit this place. Amazing. It's called Chujiya. Really good food. Ubus lahat. Authentic Japanese. Parang dinaanan ng bagyo. Ubus.
Walang ano.
Kawawa.
Busog-lusog, simut sarap. Yummy. Highly recommended. That's it guys. That's my vlog for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and always be kind to one another. Bye! This is Tokyo Concierge van. Our service during the entire trip in Japan. Almost 1 week.